potato friends! Wow, Miss Anita is happy because I can meet all of you again today. Yay! Do you know what am I? Look at this. I have a brown hat. So do you know what am I? Yes, I am a little brown bear. So, our new rhyme today is about a little brown bear. Wah! Do you want to sing the rhyme with me? Yes? Okay, let's sing the rhyme together. So, the rhyme is like this. A little brown bear went in search of some honey. This is the honey. Isn't it funny? A bear wanting honey. He sniffed at the breeze. He listened for some bees. And wouldn't you believe it? He even climbed trees. Do you want to try it one more time? Okay, let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. A little brown bear went in search of some honey. Isn't it funny? A bear wanting honey. He sniffed at the breeze. He listened for some bees. And wouldn't you believe it? He even climbed trees. Wow! Okay, so friends, what animal is it? And what does the little brown bear want? The bear wants honey or wants flower? Okay, so I hope you enjoy our new rhyme today. Do you like the little brown bear?
Okay, bye-bye potato friends. See you next week. Bye!